do not start. Wow, that is unfortunate. Just seeing it come up on the system that the Racers team will not start. They were scheduled for lane number 6, a team of Javon Powell, Bovell McPherson, Raheem Hales, and Antonio Watson. That's really unfortunate. Oh no, they've been put back now. It's swept who don't start with Javier Brown, Rashawn Clark, Javon Francis, and the long jumper Aubrey Allen. That's great news because that Racers team is fire. Powell to McPherson to Hales to Watson. In any year, Jermaine Brown and Daniel Dowie, that could be the Jamaica 4x4 team.
Yep.
Racers with a lot of firepower at 400. There are a couple others they could have used on this team as well.
All right, so they're being sent to their blocks for the clubs and institution men's 4x400 meters. Exed in 1, Mona in 2, GC Foster in 3, Monaco University College in 4, Titans in 5, Racers in 6. UTech Track Club, Swept Track Club round out the field. So they're set about their business. The men's 4x400 meters for clubs and institutions. Moving well up top, that Swept Track Club. Javier Brown leading the way for them, the former Jamaica College Class 1 champion at Boys Shams during the COVID years, 2021 to be exact. There he's in red as he comes inside the straightaway for Swept Track Club. Javon Powell with the baton for Racers Track Club, the former Kingston College standout. UTech Track Club back in 3rd, GC Foster and Udalai Mona also there. So that's Swept Track Club with the former Javon Francis on the second leg for them. UTech Track Club still there.
Yeah, Asini Wilson ran a pretty good leg for Titans as well to hand over 3rd, not far behind the leading 2. Bovell McPherson now, semi-finalist at the World Championships last year, being chased by Javon Francis. McPherson had a toe issue earlier this season, kept him out of the Camperdown Classic, but seems as if he's recovered enough and running brilliantly here for Racers.
Yes, indeed, at the World Championships. I remember him telling me that he was just out, he was a spent force, and so was not able to run the final of the 4x4. And he looks to hand over to Raheem Hales. So that's Racers Track Club ahead of Swept Track Club.
Yeah, the man from Western Jamaica, Raheem Hales, went to Florida State University, back home now with the Racers group, and he looking to improve. And when you're in a group like the one he's in at Racers, you see the quality, then you expect him to go fast, and he is going fast right now.
Just about 200 meters to go, and it is Raheem Hales. 3 seasons ago, he was one of those to watch throughout the season, and here he is now back home. Hales for Racers Track Club. And Malik James King has taken Titans into 2nd place, but it is still the Racers Track Club who are still leading.
Yeah, now they have the 2023 World 400 champion, Antonio Watson, on the anchor leg. I've never seen him as a great relay runner, but I love what I just saw. He got the baton and he really took things out hard. That's what he hasn't always done.
Coach always tells you, run the 4x4, if you are in the lead, you get the baton, you extend that lead, put some more meters on that. Here he's now just about 150 meters to go on Racers Track Club. And they've been all alone this season, this evening in this event. And taking them home is the 2023 World Champion, Antonio Watson, who is back in form for Racers Track Club. What time will they get this evening as he storms across at the line at the flash time? 3:04.23 for Racers Track Club, anchored by Antonio Watson.
They missed the record. 3:03.18, the Gibson McCook record. They go 3:04.23, so just over a second short of it. I think they'll be slightly disappointed because coming in, they would have looked at that record and thought to themselves, we have the team to break that, especially given how these men started their seasons at the Camperdown Classic. But nonetheless, really promising, really encouraging what they have produced tonight.
Yes, indeed, and it's Titans who came through for 2nd in the form of Demar Murray. GC Foster took third in the end there. As we look back at the replay, Daniel.
Yes, Racers Track Club in lane 6 with Javon Powell on the lead-off leg. Lots of he hands off just about first there. Javon Powell hands off to Bobel McPherson. Running a great second leg for the Racers team. There is Javon Francis for swept. Very quick here.
This was Raheem Hales now for Racers here. Well, Antonio Watson is the anchor leg. And once he got that baton, really, there was no stopping him. And it's good to see him running the 4x4. You don't often get to see him run this event. And for him as well, it's a chance to learn more about the event